Hello friends, in this class I am going to discuss relational and logical operators. These are some relational operators. Relational operators are used in different conditions, like if number is less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, or equal to another number. Now, what are logical operators? Logical operators are used in different conditions, and these are two logical operators, and or. We define logical operator with these symbols, and or. AND operator says that if both conditions are true, then our condition will be true, and this OR operator says that if any one condition is true, our answer will be true. Okay, so let's see the use of these operators with an example. Now I am going to create a simple application which will ask from user to enter his name and ID, and if user enter an ID between the given list, it will welcome the user. Otherwise, it will print a message that you are not a member of our company. Okay, so let's start. Create a string variable for name. Create an int variable for ID. Now print a message cw tab enter your name. Store the name in this name variable. Name equals to console dot readline. Now ask him to enter his ID. Enter your ID. Store the ID in this ID variable. ID equals to convert dot to int console dot readline. Now let's create an if statement to check the ID. If tab if ID is equals to 1. Now let's print a message for the user to welcome him. Welcome back. Create a placeholder for this name variable, comma name. Now if user enter this ID, he will get this message. Otherwise, else tab cw tab print a message, sorry, you are not a member of our company. Okay, now let's run this application. Control F5. See, enter your name. Let's suppose I write a name here. Enter your ID. Now if I enter the ID 1, it will welcome me. 1, enter. Welcome back Frozen. Okay, now let's write a wrong ID here. Frozen. Let's suppose I write 3. See the message, sorry, you are not a member of our company. So in this way, I can add more IDs in this if statement by using OR operator, because OR operator says that if any one condition is true, our answer will be true. Okay, so let's create an OR operator. OR id equals to 3 or id equals to 5. See, in this way you can add more IDs in this if statement. Now user can enter 1, 3 and 5 ID. Now if he enters an ID except these numbers, our else condition will be executed, and if he enters an ID between 1, 3 and 5, he will get this message. Okay, so let's run this application. Control F5, enter your name, enter your ID. Let's suppose I write ID 5, enter, welcome back. Okay, now you know the use of OR operator. Let's take another example in which I will show you the use of AND operator with these relational operators. Okay, let's see this statement. Write a program. User can check his or her grade by entering his or her marks. If user enter marks from 80 to 100, then print your grade is equals to A, and if marks are from 70 to 79, then grade is B. If 50 to 69, then grade is C, and if marks are less than 50, print your grade is D. Okay, so let's create this application. Delete this code. First of all, create a variable for marks, int marks, or simply write m, int m. Now print a message, enter your marks, store the marks in variable m equals to convert dot to int console dot readline. Now if I want to give multiple conditions, I can use if and else if conditions. Let's see. If tap m is, see these conditions. If marks are from 80 to 100, then grade is A. If marks are greater than equals to 80 and marks are less than equals to 100, then print a message cw tab your grade is A. Okay, now let's create another condition. Else if tab if marks m is (70 to 79), then grade is B. If m is greater than equals to 70 and m is less than 80 or less than equals to 79. Okay, print a message cw tab your grade is B. Okay, let's copy this condition, Control C. Now paste it, Control V, Control V. Okay, if marks are greater than equals to 50, less than equal to 69. C. Marks are from 50 to 69, then grade is C. So print your grade is C. And if marks are less than 50, simply write M is less than 50, then print your grade is D. Let's run this application. Ctrl F5. Enter your marks. Let's suppose I write 65. Enter. Your grade is C. So in this way I can check my grade by entering my marks. Let's suppose I enter 91. Enter. Your grade is A. There is a little mistake. I write ID. It should be IS. Okay. So now you understand what is relational and logical operators. That's it for this class. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers, and bye for now.